Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. Today's video is all about Easter deals. I know some people do not know that there are really Easter deals available on the Temu app. Today I'll show you how you can get those deals. It's easy. Just log into your Temu app, and right up here you would see the Happy Easter sign. It's also written in full. Just click on it. And here you have all the Easter deals available to you. You just need to, claim them and use them. Hop into the phone, get ready for Easter, all right? So you have the trending search, you have the Happy Easter, explore your interest. You can decide to choose whatever category you like on the Happy Easter section and just, shop away whatever it is you need. It is here available for you. You can click on view more and just browse what items they have available. You can also search here in the search bar and check for whatever it is you want, and it's available to you. Like I said, it's the Happy Easter deal available to you. So that means it's discounted. Now, I'm also going to tell you another way you can get access to discounted deals here on the Temu app for the Easter. Anyway, regardless whether it's for the Easter or whatever celebration, or even if there is no celebration going on, if you use this code on the Temu app, you will definitely get discounted deals. Now, while you're on the Temu app, click on the Temu search bar and you type ACY 077290. ACY 077290. Click on search and just wait for it to open up, okay? Here you have Temu Incredible Finds. What this means is that they are already discounted items. Once you've clicked on this code and you search this code, whatever items you add to your cart after this, they are definitely discounted. Remember, for this to work, you need to search for this code first before you add anything to your cart. Make sure your cart is empty before you search this code. Okay? Now, the correct order of things is this. Open your Temu app. It has to be your Temu app, not just the website. Use it on your Temu app. Then you click on the search bar, search the code ACY077290, and then add items from there. Okay, if what you want is not popping up, you can as well use the search bar in this section. All right, whatever it is you need to search, just click on it and search, type whatever it is you want, and then search, it will come up. But going through this page, you will see a lot of discounted items. This Tony Shaper is going for €4.30. And you can see that the items they bring up to you here have high star ratings. And not just that, people have, bought these items over and over again. So that means you have the chance of reading a lot of reviews, because the higher the sales, the more reviews you get to see for you to decide if you really want this item or not. Remember that on the same app, before you go ahead to buy anything, I always advise that you read reviews. It's very, very important. Okay, so that's it. That is how you get access to discounts on the Temu app for the Easter or any celebration at all. But right now, there are Easter sales, and I don't want you to miss out on it. That's why I'm sharing this video. I hope you rush down to your app and take advantage of this deal. All right? If you did, please let me know in the comment section. If you found value in this video, also let me know in the comment section. If you like videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will definitely be the first to know and watch it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.